Are you not happy with your current website, landing page, and marketing funnel builder? No? Well, you're not alone. Neither were we. And that's why today we're happy to introduce you to the all-new GroovePages. That's right, we've reinvented the drag and drop page and funnel builder. Hi, my name is Mike Filsame, and in recent years I have created or co-founded many of the most successful online software platforms for digital and e-commerce marketers. Some you might even have heard of, brands like Webinar Jam and EverWebinar. But I sold my stake in those companies in 2016. This gave me some time to reevaluate the market, see emerging leaders, and plan what it would take to build a legacy platform to leapfrog anything on the market today. The first thing we needed was to create a dream team. So, in 2019, I, along with my three awesome partners, John Cornetta, Matt Serralta, and Matt Naus, formed Groove Digital. Our vision is simple: create the most powerful, the most affordable, and the easiest to use software platforms for e-commerce and digital marketers, period. And we did just that. In early 2019, we launched our first project, GrooveCart, to compete with Shopify. GrooveCart launched to thousands of new customers with outstanding reviews. The smash success of GrooveCart allowed us to invest over $1 million in development in just the last 9 months. And today, we're announcing our biggest and boldest project yet, the all-new GroovePages. GroovePages is a cutting-edge, drag-and-drop landing page builder. Well, it's also a website builder. Even more than that, it's a high-converting, money-making marketing funnel builder. That's right, GroovePages is the only page builder on the market today that can create landing pages, marketing funnels, and professionally branded websites with full navigation. But don't take my word for it. You'll just have to see it to believe it. But I'm getting a little ahead of myself here. So let's set the date for June 2010 and hop in the DeLorean and jump back in time to talk about the current terrible place of page builders and how we got here. Okay, it's now 2010. WordPress 3.0 had just come out, and it was supposed to make building websites easy. Yeah, right. You see, we all learned the hard way. What made WordPress cool ended up being its downfall. Complicated themes and plugins that were slow, clunky, and worst of all, many of these plugins ended up conflicting with each other. Plus, the security issues. If you didn't update your install as soon as a new version came out, you were vulnerable to hackers. Yuck. And truth be told, that's why you could not pay me or most people to use an unoptimized page builder designed for WordPress. Back in the DeLorean we go, and let's go forward a few more years. Okay, we are now passing through 2013 and 2014. The page and funnel builders are all the rage, with hefty monthly fees to go along with it. They did solve the issue of getting away from WordPress. That was good, but they're just not easy to use, and they're overly complex. Their UI, or user interface, is, how do I say this nicely? A hot mess. And what you're left with is simply this: the cool new software that once promised you could fire your web developer should no longer make that promise. It's simply not true. The sad truth is this: for beginners and intermediate users alike, those once cool platforms have now become outdated, period. As a result, it has become necessary to hire an agency or an in-house tech team to build your funnels and deploy them. And if you're like me, I'm not a fan of having to pay for an easy-to-use software only to later have to pay even more just to create and deploy what's needed for my marketing. And finally, these page and funnel builders don't allow you to create real brand websites with full navigation. So in the end, you're still stuck also needing WordPress. What's that, you say? Squarespace? Okay, don't even get me started on Wix or this video is sponsored by Squarespace. Yeah, I know. You can build a pretty site with Wix or Squarespace, but let's face it, you don't convert leads or make money with a pretty site. You just get to tell your friends that you have a pretty site. So now that brings us back to current day. So, what to do? As of now, there has never been a platform that can do it all, while also being easy to use, affordable, and able to create websites, pages, and funnels that convert visitors into leads and leads into customers. Until now. And that's why, today, we are excited to introduce the all-new GroovePages. Welcome to the future. Imagine now, with GroovePages, you will now have a platform that is fun and easy to use, check. Affordable? Check. Fast loading? Check. SEO friendly? Check. Mobile friendly? Check. Mobile first indexing compliant? Check. Made for designers? Hell no. Want to learn CSS? Go to Skillshare. Made for beginners that want results? Check. Loaded and ready for you with hundreds of gorgeous high-end converting drag and drop blocks and templates? Check. Made for marketers that want conversions? Check, check, check. Today, GroovePages grants you full access with unlimited sites, unlimited pages, and unlimited funnels. Boom. You'll have unlimited images, unlimited hosting, and unlimited bandwidth. Bam! Let's talk about our tech stack. Now, that's geek speak for what makes us special. Many builders out there are good, but not great. Not what we consider great. In fact, all of the page builders that I have mentioned are good, not great, simply for the same reason. They are old. You see, most of them are developed using a front-end framework called Bootstrap, which is good. And yes, it was developed by Twitter, but over 9 years ago. That's like MySpace years ago. But seriously, new and better alternative frameworks that are available today allow us to create websites in an easier and more efficient manner with better results. Instead of Bootstrap, we use the progressive JavaScript framework called Vue.js. This allows us to do anything in a page builder that HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can do. We're not limited to Bootstrap and sites that look like Bootstrap like most of the other page builders on the market. Of course, you get expertly designed templates, blocks, landing pages, conversion funnels, webinar funnels, and of course, killer brand websites. But we want to allow you to do things faster and easier than ever before, while also creating better looking, higher converting sites, pages, and funnels. And here's an exclusive feature only available with GroovePages. On top of our premium designer blocks, we are also introducing a new way to build sites using layout mockups. These layout mockups are prototype or wireframe blocks that allow you to focus on layout and not get distracted with colors, text, and images that may distract you and take away from your focus. Later, with a click of a button, you can change the layout mockups to match your theme. It's revolutionary, and you really need to see it to believe it. Oh, and you use blogs for updated content and SEO? Now you can leave WordPress for good. You will be glad to know that in 2020, we will be releasing GrooveBlog, our blog management feature into GroovePages. Finally, you can run everything on your entire website in one place if you're using blogs. Plus, GroovePages will have all of the cool things like countdown timers, pop-ups, and millions of royalty-free images. Integrations? Yes, we will integrate with every popular email and webinar platform you can think of. While we focus on making it easy, we do have an expert mode. You're a design geek? Yes, we will have an under the hood feature to allow you to do anything you need to behind the scenes for pixel perfect accuracy. If you want, you can get access to the page code or drill down to a block or even an element to isolate code. And our editor has a full CSS style injector to allow you to do anything that can possibly be done on a web page. There's a lot more that makes GroovePages special that's just too long for this video. Please take a look at the page below for more awesome details. But our main focus is on the user interface to help you create a pixel perfect and font perfect final product with perfect web standards and uniform design that will still convert better than anything on the market today. No one can make that claim. You see, our goal is to make it nearly impossible to create ugly, Frankenstein design sites. Now, we know you may think your current platform gets the job done. Okay, that may be true, but everyone thinks a Toyota Camry is awesome until they drive a Lexus. So if we are more affordable, faster and easy to use, and allow you to create pages that look and convert better, don't you think you owe it to yourself to build your own company on GroovePages? So here's why you want to get started today during our grand opening and not later. Today, you can get access to GroovePages for just $1, and you get to try everything for the next 14 days. Yup, for just $1. If it's not everything we say it is and more, of course, you can cancel at any time. And if you love it, which we think you will get grandfathered in at just $99 a month. This means that when we raise prices and charge more later for features that you're getting today, you won't pay more. But hang on, you're also getting some huge bonuses only available during this grand opening. To see what bonuses you get right now, see the limited time grand opening bonus section below. Right there, you're going to learn how to get instant access to our other brand new product called GrooveSell, which helps you sell your digital products and get an army of affiliates to help you. You really need to check that one out. And we're still not done yet. When you get access today during this grand opening, you'll also get future access to the all-new Groove Mail, and we'll give you 2,500 contacts to mail for free at no extra cost. And Groove Mail is scheduled to launch in late spring. And one more cool thing for starting today during the grand opening, we're also going to give you future access to the all-new Webinar Groove for live and automated webinars at no extra cost later. Webinar Groove is scheduled to launch in late summer. And finally, in 2020 and 2021, we also plan on rolling out new features like Groove Video, Groove Membership, Groove Blog, Groove Help Desk, Groove Calendar, and more. Now please note later, these will all be premium add-ons, but not for you. That's right, lock them in now and you won't pay extra when we roll them out. So let's recap. In a nutshell, GroovePages has all of the features that are in the latest cutting-edge builders, even in the beta. You'll get hundreds of wireframe blocks, hundreds of designer blocks, dozens of templates, dozens of sites, and dozens of funnels. And of course, we'll be adding more and more as we continue to grow. Plus, you'll get instant access to GrooveSell, and of course, all the killer GroovePages features that are planned for the very near future. Plus, future major add-ons like Groove Mail, Webinar Groove, Groove Blog, Groove Video, Groove Membership, Groove Help Desk, Groove Calendar, and more. See the page below for the roadmap. Hurry, this grand opening offer is ending soon. And when it closes, this offer is gone forever. Later, others will pay many hundreds more each month for fewer features than you are getting here today. So get started now, get instant access to GroovePages Beta with GrooveSell. Lock this in now and you won't pay extra when we roll out the new killer apps and features. The only thing you have to lose are the savings if you don't take action now. So don't miss out. Please hurry before this grand opening offer ends. Once it's gone, you will pay more for less. Thank you, and we look forward to having you as a charter member of the all-new GroovePages.